German and Yiddish were equally organic to him. And of course, he loved German literature and poetry. And so he began to write in both languages, which was, again, very typical for the, the Russian Yiddish poets or writers started writing both in Russian and in Yiddish, or Hebrew also. So he wrote in both languages and didn't publish anything in German, but immediately started publishing in Yiddish. So he couldn't make up his mind. The story goes, and I don't know whether the veracity of it, that apparently he either met with Stefan Zweig or sent him his writing, his poems or his stories in German. And his advice, Stefan Zweig's advice, was that he feels that there is another language that is much more organic to him. And that was freed my father, because he couldn't. It's like loving two women. He loved both equally, felt equally comfortable writing in both. And that was just a blessing. It kind of solved for him this dilemma. And so that's this is a family lore, one of very few that we have.